8 weird yet effective cleaning hacks. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos below for tips on how to make cleaning fun and less intimidating. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Peanut butter. Use creamy or smooth peanut butter to tidy up your leather shoes, purses, furniture, and more. Add a small amount of peanut butter on a soft cloth and rub it on the leather surface you wish to clean. Be sure to do this in a circular motion. Peanut butter contains natural oils that allow it to clean and shine anything that is made of leather. It can also eliminate the odor in the kitchen after you've cooked fish for dinner. Simply put a tablespoon of peanut butter on the pan you used and fry it for 2 minutes and the stench will be gone. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper works as a natural and eco-friendly ant control solution. Mix it with water and spray it on your plants to keep rabbits and rodents at bay. Cinnamon. Use 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 pint vodka, and 1 inch scored ginger root to make an after-shower spray. Applying this on showers and tubs will help prevent mold and mildew from growing. You can also use this solution on carpeting and woodwork. Himalayan pink salt. Mix 32 ounces of Himalayan pink salt, 1/4 cup of whole cloves and 4 cinnamon sticks and store for at least 2 weeks before using it as a sink scrub. Himalayan pink salt contains germ-fighting qualities that are great for cleaning tubs and sinks. Cloves. Mix 1/8 cup of whole cloves, 1/4 cup anise, and 1 pint vodka to make a counter cleanser. This natural cleaning solution contains anti-germ properties that work well when cleaning countertops. Nutmeg. Crack 1 whole nutmeg using a hammer or nutcracker and mix it with 4 ounces of witch hazel and 8 ounces of water in a spray bottle. Leave it for 2 weeks before use and be sure to test for color fastness first. Spray it onto beddings, rugs, curtains, and towels. Mend. Make any room in your home feel and look cleaner with sparkling windows. Make your own window cleaning solution using mint, white vinegar, water, and alcohol. The mint will freshen up the air naturally, while the white vinegar and alcohol will leave your windows clean and streak-free. Citrus and lavender. Make your own lavender and citrus fizzy tablets, which you can use to clean your toilet bowl. You will need baking soda, citric acid, zested orange, orange essential oil, lavender essential oil, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.